Our last and final strategy is the bonus contingency, and this is very similar to the token system. And in fact, it's just a build on of the token system. So what the strategy is providing points or tokens to students for retention of information gained with a specific goal, meaning that I want the student to not only complete the task, but I want them to complete the task with 80% accuracy. So completing the task would earn you this token, but completing the task with this percent of accuracy earns you this token and a bonus. And the research showed that when you compared the two groups to each other, the bonus contingency actually had a higher result for some students. And again, this is the same place. You incorporate the strategies into whole group incentives, to individual incentives, and daily behavior retention of information. So just real quickly here, just review of the overall learning objectives. The goal today for you is to gain a better understanding of EBD and how it affects our students, to integrate the conceptual models of EBD into daily practice, and to apply the behavioral model into your classroom and daily practices. So again, the four strategies we talked about were the high preference procedures, which is giving the student a number of preferred types of a problem or practice with the integration of non-preferred towards the end and winning in. The other was the model rehearsal feedback, which is very similar to I do, we do, you do, but we are providing direct feedback during the student's performance. And the last two were the token system economy and the bonus contingency, which was providing an incentive to complete a task and providing an incentive within the incentive. Any questions today, please feel free to call or email. On your way out the door, make sure that you pick up a handout, which is going to give you a variety of resources it's going to give you a variety of websites that will help you in the classroom and help you possibly find new strategies and more techniques. Thanks.